Hello and welcome to Digit, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. Now this laptop actually came in this box, and inside this box there was another box which is this, and as you can see it says Nitro 5 on it. And what else is on the box? So there's some specifications, some details mentioned, product name, what it contains, and that's pretty much it. So let's just go ahead, open this up, and let me take out everything that you get in the box. Alright, so I have opened up everything inside the box. I've unwrapped everything and taken everything out and laid it out. So this is everything that you get inside the box when you buy your Acer Nitro 5. So you get the laptop itself, as you can see. You get a Nitro 5 setup guide. You have your warranty card information. You get a 180 watt power brick and a power cable. So let me tell you a little bit about this laptop. Now this laptop, this Acer Nitro 5, is powered by an 11th gen Intel Core i7-11800H processor. That for graphics, we have an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti. So that's a really good combination of processor and GPU, so it's pretty powerful. The laptop comes with 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, and you can actually upgrade that to 32 GB if you wish. For storage, you get 256 GB NVMe SSD inside here, and you also get a 1 TB hard disk. So it's got an NVMe and a hard disk. The display is a 15.6 inch IPS display. It's a full HD display, and it has a refresh rate of 144 Hz. Acer claims the battery will last up to 8 hours. It weighs 2.4 kgs. And it has an RGB backlit keyboard. So let's just go ahead, open it up. So as you can see, that's the RGB backlit keyboard. It says Intel Core i7. The display says Full HD 144 Hz. And there's some other features that this has. So this offers dual M.2 support. So it's already got an SSD and HDD combo in it. It comes with Acer NitroSense and Cool Boost technologies to help you sort of customize the performance of this laptop. There's a feature called Killer Double Shot Pro. It has dual fans with quad exhaust ports. Let's take a look at the fans. Let me see, flip it around. So at the base, as you can see, you have your two fans and you have your vents for your heat to come out. There are also two vents at the back. So, and on the sides also, there are some vents. So a lot of vents to keep this laptop cool. Let me tell you about the ports. So on the left side of the laptop, so for ports, you have it's a Kensington lock, you have an Ethernet port, you have two USB ports, you have a 3.5mm audio port. And on the other side, the right side of the laptop, you've got an HDMI out, you have another USB port, you have a Type-C port so this is good. So this will offer you higher transfer rates. And at the back, you have right there, you have your power cable port, your power port where your power cable goes. So that's pretty much it. That was the unboxing of the Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.